All right, let's go ahead and start this stream. All right, let's go ahead and start the. All right, let's go ahead. Sorry. Let's go ahead and start the thing. So, like I said, if you guys are new here, make sure you guys like the stream and like the. Oh yeah, just like the fucking stream, bro. No bad. I know I'm streaming super fucking late right now. I'll probably. I have no idea, but I'm streaming super fucking late right now. So let's go and start. Here, what's good, Uncle Ruckus? So, like I said, I do a lot of daily profiling, and I am a G at it. Hopefully, that's the plan. Um, play Dardu Sandstorm. It will help. Hopefully, I don't get copyrighted, bro. I'm streaming on YouTube now, so I can't really play music. But let's go ahead and start. So right here, looking at this, we have just straight downside, right? Straight downside, and I'm looking. If you look at your daily profiling here, if I show you guys really quick, I don't know if you guys can see this. I don't want to be alone now. You funded? I am not funded yet. Yet. So, looking at this daily profile, what daily profile is this? This is a fake New York low. I'm looking for a London reversal to the upside here. Like I said, this is a random day. This is March 2nd, 2023. So I'm looking for price to come down, manipulate this low, and then go even higher. And like I said, I'm pretty bullish going into the day. So let's go ahead and play it out. I want to see price. I want to see a New York reversal here. And if we pump, that's okay. If we pump, that's good. You tell we're kind of pumping here. And our new deal, this looks like your boom, we sweep out this high. But I did establish that my bias, I did establish that my bias is bullish. Let's go ahead and run it. We have SMT here also. But since we tapped this gap right here, I might lean towards bearishness here. We're going to go ahead and say bearish. The reason why I say that is because we're tapping into this hourly gap. We're sweeping out highs and lows. And now that I'm seeing it, overall downtrend, right? So I'm pretty bearish going into the day. So right here, this was your leg up to the upside, right? So now I'm looking for shorts, and I want to sell above premium. So 50% mark here. I want to sell above 50% mark here. So what I'm looking at right now is we come up, take out this high, and then distribute back down. So let's go ahead and play it out. You can tell, as you can tell, we just took out this high and then completely dumped. I'm gonna keep waiting. I'm not looking to buy anywhere or sell anywhere here yet. You can tell we came back up. We tapped this. I'm gonna go ahead and mark out this really quick. We came up, swapped out this liquidity here. I'm looking for shorts. Oh, let's go ahead and fix that. Looking for shorts. As you tell, price is super indecisive right now. We had that big candle up there. So price is chopping around real quick. I'm looking for shorts, like I said. So I'm going to go ahead and place my shorts here. We did inverse this gap. We swept out liquidity once again. We're buying above. We're buying in premium. So I'm going to place my short position here. My stops is at this high. And I'm looking to target these low-hanging fruits here. As you can tell, this is all generated generated sell-side liquidity here. As you can tell, and I'm looking to target lower prices. So I'm going to go ahead and place my position here. Let's go ahead and play it out. Let's go ahead and play it out. Like I said, this could be a good partial to take your partial off. As you can tell, we have generated a buy side or generated sell side here. I may look to take a partial off at this low. There we go. Taking a partial off here. Like I said, I could look to take some partials off at these lows here too. Until this is all generated buy side or sell side liquidity to me, or at least what it looks like at least. Playing it out, playing it out. So we get stopped out. We get stopped out, but but this was the trade that we just took. A 1 to 9 isn't terrible. Obviously, it could do a lot better. Or maybe if I was in the right side of the markets, I would have got a bigger RR here. But like I said, we're overall downtrend here. I was initially bullish bias at first, but this looks like your downtrend. And I did want to see a New York reversal here also. But like I said, we took the shorts instead, which is completely fine. Let's see what happens here. Do we end up pumping or dumping here? Yeah, we end up just pumping, so which is fine. So like I said, we take the W, going to go ahead and go on the next day. Oh yeah, and I almost got stopped by a tick. Almost got stopped out by a tick. Almost. But we fucking didn't. The next day. Okay. Looking at this hourly time chart, I'm looking for a New York reversal again. London pumped, and this is probably a fake out move to take out this high. I'm looking for a New York reversal to the downside. But I do have my ice cream here. I'm low-key hungry as fuck. So I'm gonna eat my ice cream. It's low-key melted because I was talking a lot. I've been yapping. So dude, these ice cream sandwich bars are low-key the best. I'm not gonna lie to you. Mm. Don't even get me started. Day trader eats ice cream for a living. Oh, almost finished. Teach you what? All right. Let's go ahead and do another one. Like I said, overall bullish bias. Overall sell buy or sell model. So I'm looking for a New York reversal because London pumped, and yeah, I'm looking for a reversal here. We have SMT at these highs also, so I'm looking for a New York reversal here. But what do I want to see? I want to see some sort of liquidity sweep on the lower time frame, or just some sort of liquidity sweep. So we come up, we sweep out this high again. Like I said, we still have we swept out this high. I'm bearish, right? I'm bearish. I'm looking for some sort of sell model or some sort of sell position. And if we're wrong, we're wrong. I mean, there's nothing much I can do about that, right? Look at the daily here. Yeah, I'm looking for sells still. You know, coming up, taking out this external high. 10 o'clock happened, right? Like I said, I'm looking for sells, right? I'm looking for sells, and I don't want to sell at the top. I don't want to sell at the top. I want to let structure play out, even double a little bit more, and then another manipulative move, and then like right here, this is perfect. We're starting to dump a little bit more. We're starting to dump here. I'm looking for a potential sell model here, right? I'm looking for potential shorts. We're in discount, or we're in premium of this range. I'm looking for shorts. But since we're running this through, I could be like, okay, maybe longs are going to play out today, and maybe my bias is incorrect. But let's go ahead and play it out. You can tell we're making new highs, right? We're making higher highs and higher lows because the market is going like this. So I'm like, okay, look, it looks pretty bullish now, in my opinion. We go like this. Came down, swept it out one, two, three times. We're pretty bullish. I'm expecting higher prices now. So I'm going to go ahead and mark out my 50% mark. I want to buy at discount and sell above premium. So I'm waiting for price to play out. Price is dumping. We tap discount area of this range. Like I said, this is probably a fake out move right here. I'm not looking to buy here. I'm looking for a potential comeback down, sweep out this low, and then form some sort of structure. Like I said, this I've never seen this movie out before, so I'm gonna go like this. I want to see a price come down, sweep, and go higher. That's what I want to see. I want to see a price come back down. There we go. Exactly what I wanted to do. I'm waiting. Like I said, I don't want to buy just yet. This looks great, but I don't want to buy just yet. We're still above premium. Or, yeah, above premium, so I don't want to buy that yet. I'm waiting patiently. But like I said, this could be your next leg up. This could be your next leg up, realistically. And we sweep out this a few times. I'm waiting. Waiting. Yeah, we don't get an entry here at all. Like I said, we don't get an entry, which is completely fine. Obviously, I feel like me personally, I would have FOMO'd low key, and I would have fucked up. And that's me being honest. I didn't get an entry here. I was looking to take an entry here. This was the fake out. I knew this was the fake out. Price came down one more time. We inverse this gap pretty heavily. I could have entered here, but at the same time, we're above premium still. So I was like kind of iffy about it. Just kind of iffy about it. And price respected this leg up here. Came back down, type discount. And yeah, I mean, this looks clean. This looked clean, but so price is pushing up to our, yeah, this would have been my first take profit. As you tell, we were going higher. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go on the next day. I mean, there's nothing really for us to look at. I mean, we messed up. We messed out on our move. I know. I could have entered. Realistically, I could have entered, but I did it because it just isn't following with my plan, and I just don't want to. I just don't want to fuck it up. Right. So let's go ahead and go on another day. So looking at this trade here. Looking at this trade here. I don't want to be alone now. All right. Answer me. What's up? All right. Let's go here. So what does it look like to me? As you can tell, we're very bullish. We're very bullish overall. And I don't really care what's on the left. As you can tell, we're very fucking bullish. So now what I'm going to do is just be like, okay, we could be bullish looking at this price action here. As you can tell, what profile is this? Can you guys see this? Yeah. What profile is this? Yeah, I think I got all my shit from It's Johnny, so I can like, oh, wrong thing. Right here. What profile could this be? Asia. This could be your near expansion to the upside, and I've already established that I am long bias, and this could be your expansion to the upside. And I want to see if we have any SMT between ESN and Q. We don't have any SMT, but this sure does look like your expansion move to the upside. So I'm going to go ahead and be longs, looking like this. This looks like your expansion move. So right here, I'm going to draw my fib out from here to here. You can tell. Oh shit. Looks like we don't get a fucking trade here. But like I said, this is your next long move here. Next expansion, next leg up. As you can tell, we don't get an entry. Which sucks, obviously, because I want to enter. You know what I mean? I want to enter. I'm going to wait. This is the next leg up. I'm looking for price to come back down to tap equilibrium. We tap equilibrium of this range. But I'm looking at the higher time frame. We are tapping this 15-minute fair value gap right here also. So now I'm like, okay, look, we could go longs. We're coming down. We're sipping out this low. We're tapping into a higher time. We're tapping to a higher time frame imbalance in this 1 minute unmitigated imbalance. So now what I'm going to be is bullish, right? Bullish. So I'm waiting. We tap the higher time frame imbalance. We're below discount. I'm looking for longs. We could enter right here if we wanted to. We do get a change of state of delivery here also to the upside. I could be like, okay, look, I'm going to enter here. Stops at that low and look to target higher. Or I want to see what we tapped on the higher time frame. But on the higher time frame, we tapped a 4-hour imbalance. We tapped it. We rejected it nicely. We could dump from here. we could dump from here. And hourly looks like we're tapping this. We're tapping 50% mark of this range here also. So I'm not gonna enter just yet. I'm gonna wait. Wait. There we go. We sweep out one more time. I'm gonna mark out 50% mark of the range. Like I said, I could enter right here. Realistically, I could just be like, okay, I'm entering here. Stops at this inverse fair value gap here. That's probably. I'm gonna give this a try. And look to target obviously higher prices. Let's see if we have any SMT. We do have SMT divergence between ESN and Q. So let's go ahead and play it out. So it's pretty risky, but let's go ahead and play it out. Okay, we get stopped out. I want to see what price action does here. I'm not looking to enter anymore, just waiting. Here we go. We can still look for longs if we want to. If we inverse this gap right here, I'll look for longs. Okay, looks like we're going even lower. We're sipping out this low. We're a major discount on the hourly time chart. I'm waiting for structure to play out here. So right here, we come down, we sweep it out one more time. And I ask myself, do we see a higher time frame fair value gap that we're in? No, but we don't. But we do have this breaker. So, like I said, I can give longs here a try. We have SMT divergence here between ESN and Q. I'm going to go ahead and give longs here a try. And the reason why is we got to change the state of delivery. We got an inverse fair value gap here. I'm just going to move my stops right here. Small little stop loss. And I'm looking to target these highs. Let's go ahead and play it out. Oh, my goodness. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like we're just massively dumped. I did see that we tapped the 4-hour imbalance. And we started to reject off of it, but there's no buts. I saw that. Why didn't I go short? I just wanted to see more structure play out, at least, but it was just fixated on my long bias. This was a terrible trade. And yeah. Higher time frame holds power. Fuck. Okay, you're right. That was my bad. I should have just stuck with the higher time frame. All right. Let's go again. So the reason why I'm live today or live right now is because I won't be live tomorrow morning. I have to go to Oklahoma City for my dad, so I won't be. I won't be live tomorrow morning. So let's go ahead and play it out. Let's see what happens here. As you can tell, we tap this hourly imbalance. We sweep. This does look like a continuation to go lower. We're overall bearish. We did tap a higher time frame imbalance to go lower, so I'm going to go shorts. And yeah, let's go ahead and run it. Let's go. Let's play it out. So like right here, we're coming back up. This is our dealing range. We're coming back up to 50% mark of this range. And I'm looking for potential shorts, right? I'm looking for potential shorts. This could have been your Judas swing to the upside. And like I said, I'm looking for shorts. We're above discount. We're in premium. I want to see if we disrespect this fair value gap right here. If we do, this will look good for shorts. We come back up, sweep it out this high. We create this inversion. We create this fair value gap right here. If we break past this fair value gap, I'll look to enter my position here. All right. Looks like we did. Let's see. And I am bearish bias going into the day. So I'm going to give this a try. Do I give it a try? Asia and London low have just been swept. This high should get protected. This high should be protected if we want to go lower. I'll give this a try. Stop loss is pretty tight. So I'm only risking. I'm not risking that much here. There we go. Do I want to take? The thing is, do I want to take a partial here at this unmitigated fair value gap? This could be a good partial. Like I said, that's 16 points. This could be a good partial to take. I'm going to go and take a partial here. That would have been like that would have been like a 1.9 R anyways. And I'm looking to target lower prices here. Oh, what the fuck? Oh my god, I didn't even realize we had news, bro. Okay, that works too. I think we got off right here, I think. There we go. Beautiful. 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 Like I said, let's go, baby. Like I said, I think I just needed to fix a few more things in order to like see more results, because I've been like buying in premium, selling in discounts. So I think that's where I was fucking up. Doing the live markets. Yeah, I have to, bro. Like this morning, like I'll show you guys this morning. This morning was tough, honestly. I was long bias and it didn't play out. Let's see. True, you try to do that, doesn't go well. That's very true. But when you have the right drawn liquidity, bro, it's like it either manipulates or goes towards your drawn liquidity. Can I talk to you about something? Can I talk to you about something on the Discord? Yeah, sure. Oh yeah, if you guys are new, make sure you guys join the Discord. We're almost to 600 members in the Discord, as you can tell. Wait, how's Goose P&L today? Negative, I think. Not surprising. That's funny. All right, like today, I took 2 trades today, and I lost both of them. But as you can tell, we pumped, right? I think I had the right bias. The bias was correct. I believe that these trades weren't terrible. I'm doing the same exact thing, like from FX Replay to here. I'm initializing it into here. Like for example, today's trades, I drew my Fibonacci from here to here. We were in discount. I bought here at this inversion fair value gap. Didn't play out, just fine. Same thing here. We resweep, type of higher time frame balance right here, inversion fair value gap. Change state delivery, didn't play out. Like I said, I think I'm doing everything right. I guess today, which is unfortunate, it's gonna happen. And then we ended up just pumping towards the upside. So like I said, my bias was correct. I just couldn't get it on correctly, which is fine. Like I said, good day here. Go ahead and go on the next day. Yeah, no, catching the falling knife is tough, but that short position wasn't a falling knife, bro. We were bullish overall. Like higher time frame was standing bullish. So I didn't think we were gonna come back all the way down here and sweep out these lows. Like right here. Like looks like we swept out all of this low resistance liquidity here. Oh fuck. Shit. That's a clip. Hold on, let me clip that real quick, chat. What time frame is that? Or what? A 26 and 51. Okay. Gosh, dang. Didn't I take out news in opening yesterday before turning back? I have no idea. Like I said, beautiful. Like I said, I mean, today's trades weren't terrible. Like I said, I'm trying to fix a little bit more. Like I think the only problem I had was buying in disc or buying in premium and selling in discount. I think that's the only problem I really had, and I'm trying to fix it a lot more, and I feel like I'm being more patient with myself, which is amazing. Um, yeah. Let's see. I get on a bit. Need to go into the store real quick. Now you get, brother. Yeah, that sneeze was crazy. All right, let's go ahead and go again. Join the voice chat. Oh no, I'm scared. Hold up. Hello.
Cute.
Oh shit. What's up?
Let me be honest with you on this one, right?
All right.
You
All right.
always about you wanna like do something good about yourself, and you always like you might have good bias, and that's like good at the end, but you don't actually have good entry models and stuff like that. But let me be honest with you. You say that you got a 70% win rate, but you're still failing on the markets. You actually gotta like be focused on there. You got to actually be locked in on this one. I always see on your live you talking about I have a good win rate, my bias was great, but you didn't actually get the profits in.
I
That's
did it.
what
You're right.
Yo, just give me 10 minutes and I'll be on.
All right, bet. I got you, brother. Yeah. Like I said, you're right. I had the right bias, but I couldn't execute it on the markets. And you're right. I mean, there's nothing much I can do
and
about that.
and let me talk to you about something. Do you trade PM session?
I do not,
Then why the fuck are you taking a PM session trade on a FX replay?
bro. Because like something like I've realized like whenever I'm doing like the Fibonacci tool, I can never like sometimes I won't even get an entry during AM session, right? I can't even
Yeah,
get. So right now I'm just staying patient, waiting for price to come towards me, which is a good thing in my opinion. Like I said, I sometimes I won't get an entry in the AM session, so I'll just like wait for price to
yeah,
come back down to my level.
that's completely true. I get what you're coming from, but think about it this way, Q. You think that your strategy actually works, and it might work on the back testing, but the thing that you don't understand is when you're on the real market, the stress is gonna get to you. You're
Oh
not
yeah,
gonna get
hundred
the
percent.
same entry. You're not gonna get this. You're not gonna get the stops that you want to get filled on. You might get emotion. You might get FOMO. The trades that you just took on the FX replay, I would be 99% sure you're not gonna take those trades on the real market because you're gonna get slippage, you're gonna get bad entry, you might get stopped out by a tick. Anything could happen. And the thing that I called you here for was you tell that your strategy needs two or three things. Can you actually take some time? Like be gunned in on this one. Be locked in. Think about what your strategy is wrong. Because let me talk to you about myself as well. My strategy had like a 60% win rate. I
Right.
changed. I was thinking just like you. I was thinking I need like two or three things that I want to actually build up that my strategy is gonna be better. But I didn't do it for like 3 months. And when I actually like try to log in and like do it for like 5 days, my win rate changed like tremendously. And I can see myself on you because you're saying that your strategy is good. You got 70% win rate. But motherfucker, you're actually red on the markets. You're not doing what you're supposed to do on the live market. I see you every day on the live. Actually, I'm your mod, so I actually see you on the live every single time. And you take those dumb trades. You think that the price is gonna go this way. You're trying to predict the market when you actually should be looking for the price action and see what you can do on this price action and what you can take out of. You're actually trying to predict the market, and that's dumbest shit I've ever seen from you, Q. You
Yeah.
can do way better than this. You're trying to predict the market. You're saying, let me try this. What the fuck are you gonna try on this market? The market ain't gonna go for you. The market gonna get you liquidated, and it's gonna go wherever the fuck it wants. You're not trying to. You're trying to do like 50% probability trades, 70% probability trades. Motherfucker, have a good model, have a set of rules, and if you don't see that rule, just don't take the trade. Simple as that. It's not to be complicated. You just gotta take those models, and when you try, and the most thing that I hate about you, let's say you find a model and you just take that trade. You say, let me try on this trade. You know, if I was fucking, I was like right in front of me, I would slap the fuck out of you. Like that's how angry I get when you say I would try this trade, because you know that that trade might work and might not work, and that's the main reason why you are like red. How much did you lose today? Be honest.
I took 2 trades today. I followed my rules correct. I followed all of my rules. I did everything correct, and it was on paper. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna go 3 contracts so I can trim some like at those highs and leave one for a runner. I think
Yeah.
I like I said, I'm not focused on the P&L right now, but I am down like 25, I think. But like I said, I'm
Yeah.
not really
So
focused on the money. I'm focused on the executions and where is price at. You know what I mean? Like I took good trades today. I believe I took good trades today, and I followed all my rules. I followed everything correctly, and I took losses, and I just took losses. You know?
yeah. So Q, you're doing one thing good. Don't think about bad and good days as in like P&L wise, because how I look at the market is, let's say I'm gonna have the best trades, but the trades didn't go my way. I'm like $1,000 down on the day. I'm still considering that day as a green day because I actually did what I was supposed to do, and the trade didn't work out. You're doing that thing right. But you got to think that you can't always be trying to predict the market. You got to actually react on the market. You always, the one thing that I notice is you always say when you're live and like live trading, you always say, I've seen this on FX replay. I've seen this on FX replay. This is completely my model. And you try to predict. And like when you try to predict and like your stops get hit, then you start to have like FOMO, you take revenge trade and like everything. And the main thing that I want you to like understand is, please be locked in on this one. If you don't lock in, you're gonna lose a lot of money. You probably even be like suicidal, like how I was when I didn't find a strategy. I didn't have nothing. I was actually trying to like kill myself because of all the things that was like not going great. So I actually want you to like lock in on this one. You always say I have a 70% win rate. But when you go on the live markets, you actually have a 30% win rate because you're actually not even winning like 70% of your trades. You're not even winning 50% of your trades. Every time I come to your live, I always see you negative or like break even. So you got to actually have a good strategy. And I know you got like way more information than like 80% of the ICT traders. And you like confuse on different things. Like you try to see something. Let's say there's like fair value gap and like many things that you know more than a average ICT trader. That's gonna confuse you. And the main thing is that don't look at your TikTok chat or like YouTube chat and try to like take some advice from them.
Oh yeah,
Because
100%.
the main thing that happens is that, let's say you see something in the market that the people on the TikTok chat are not. You actually gonna get so confused that your bias gonna get changed. Everything's gonna change, and you're just gonna take like dumb trades. Like the one that you just did, you took it on the PM session when you don't even trade PM session. Like try to make it a little bit realistic for me, just for me. Like try to go in. You always say that you're doing journaling. That's like really great, and I hope you actually see those journals. And I hope you do great. I'm just like looking out for you. I don't have nothing against you. I'm
Yeah,
just
of course,
trying
of
to
course, of
tell
course.
from my experience and what I think will be right for you. Because I'm not an ICT trader. I don't know shit about ICT. But the thing that I know is that you don't predict, you actually react off the market rather than predicting the market. And that's about it. I just wanted to tell you that. Please be locked in on this one. I
Of
actually
course.
got high hopes for you, bro. It's not like I don't want to see you fail or anything. I actually got high hopes. You got a lot of knowledge, but you don't know how to execute it. You take it on FX replay. You don't have no emotion on FX replay, and you just take those trades. And those trades, when you try to do it on the live market, you can get FOMO. That's how you blew the account. You were FOMO. You didn't know what you're doing, and now you're actually like having a little bit of progress, which is actually good. And I want you to keep on going on that pace or even go better than that. And that's how I gotta say for you. I mean, I'll always be rooting for you. I mean, don't look at the TikTok chat and like change your bias, because I've been here since like 2 months ago. And when I come, like, let's say I'm a newcomer, like, I come to your live, like, when you just start, people say, like, their biases and, like, they got high time frames, everything. When they say that, you're going to be so confused that your bias is going to get changed. And, like, everything else goes the wrong way. The day I have seen, like, 7 or 8 days where you go to TikTok chat and, like, read the messages and you find, like, oh, wow, there's a fair value gap right here. And then your bias completely changes. And before that, you would have a good bias, you would have a correct bias. But after you read those TikTok chat, you're going to have, like, bad biases. And
Correct.
that's about
I
it. Yeah.
completely agree. That's why, like this morning, everyone was saying, "Oh, we're gonna go lower." Like I didn't focus on them because I was like, I obviously everybody has to predict where the market goes, right? We don't see the fucking future. Like we have to like kind of have that prediction inside of us in order to trade. Like we can't just be like, "Oh, I'm reacting off of that fair value gap." But like I said, we have to predict where price is gonna go, regardless.
Not
Yeah,
really.
but the thing is that is 30% of it's predicting and 70% of it is actually reacting off of what is going
Correct.
on. Because your fair value gap ain't gonna be always gonna be there. It's not gonna always help you. Let's be honest here. You just have those things on your charts just as confirmation where the price is gonna go. But if the price doesn't go there, you gotta be so fast in reacting that, oh, this didn't happen. What's the next confluence for me to react off of? You gotta think it that way. That's the main reason with you. You try to predict the market while I'm sitting right here. I'm being patient. I'm looking for a setup. And the main thing is that you take setups way too early. I saw in one of your live, you took the setup like 6 minutes before the market even started. Like, what's up with that? Like, you gotta have some setup plans. Like, I only take trades after 10. I let the market do like 30 minutes of whatever it want to do, and then I take the trades. And I don't want to
Bro,
take most of your
pre-market
time.
trades are great, dude. I don't know what you're talking about, but pre-market trades are not a bad thing to do. Don't take it like that. If it's
Yeah,
a good setup,
I'm not
bro,
trying to say like
like 20 minutes before market opens, those are usually good setups. So don't.
But it's not his trading plan.
I'm just saying like you gotta have like fixed rules on it. You can't just be taking pre-market trades. Doesn't matter if it's good or not. You gotta have set amount of rules. That means you can just trade like overnight session and all if you see a good setup. But you're not gonna be that much confident. Like, let me just ask you, Q. Are you gonna be confident before the market starts or after the market starts? Like, be honest on that one. When are you gonna be confident to take trades?
Obviously, after the market opens, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So why are you going to take low probability trades? Doesn't even matter if it's an A plus setup. Like, you're just trying to break a rule of it.
Yeah, I don't ever trade pre-market or aftermarket like Asia session. I don't ever plan. I don't ever trade like that. I only trade during AM session, and then if I don't trade during AM session, I'm gonna draw my fib out from the high to the low, wait for price to come back down to that area. That's why I as you saw I was taking trades on PM session, and the really reason why I did that was because price was in my key level. It was in my area where okay, look, we could bounce from here, we could go from here, so that's why I even took it.
Dude, what's the like when you look at the chart? What's the first thing your eye like draws to? Like, what is the first thing that like you don't look for? You just hop in the chart and you're like, oh damn, I see this right away. Is it like a fair value gap? Is it equal lows or equal highs?
I
Like,
see. I try to see what London did, because I'm very
okay,
fixated.
but like, oh no, okay, yeah, right. But when you like, if you have a chart open right now, just look at it without zooming in or doing anything. What does your eye draw to right away?
If I was, let's see, hold up.
Because my shit is usually like,
Just
I usually look at order blocks, like just right away. I see order blocks when I open the chart.
because like, I mean, I see where market's at. Obviously, like obviously, I see where market's at first, and then like once I figure out what daily profile it is, I'll look for those higher time frame order blocks, fair value gaps, rejection blocks. In that
Okay, so you just look at
confluence.
kind of like just the whole, like when you open the chart, you kind of just look at like the whole market structure.
Yeah, of course. And then like I kind of like once I find my bias or whatever, I'll look for the higher time frame PD
Yo,
arrays.
cool. Just share your screen and we can get started right now.
All right, bet. Let's see. Damn, low-key nervous now. All right.
Nah, bro, dude. That's another thing. I feel like you take criticism a little bit.
Oh no, I don't.
in
Trust me, I
the
don't. I
wrong
don't.
way.
No,
Okay.
I don't.
Just
I'm good.
like
cool. Listen, it's not that. It's like the criticism that we give you, you don't really take it to heart. That's the issue here.
I don't. You're right. I don't take it to heart.
yeah. Honestly,
Like it goes right over your head. That's the issue.
Because I just like, it's just not like I don't. People make
wait.
fun of me. Like I just kind of just rub it off.
No
It's
one's
like,
no one's making fun of you. But the thing is, look, if you're gonna constantly do live streams, and how long have you been doing this? It's I'm assuming you started at the beginning of this year, right?
like streaming wise, I would say
it's like
3 months.
half a year, some
Look,
3
bro,
months. And
you have,
Yeah.
you
goes a
have-
while.
you have to take some sort of I guess you could say like accountability for yourself,
Yeah, of course.
especially now because look, bro, you've made a laughing stock out of yourself on YouTube. Like I shit you not, the live streams, the people only pull up to use you as sentiment.
They do. Yeah.
Okay, definitely. That
Like-
shit does not matter though, bro. All the fucking people in that chat are not profitable and have
Yeah,
never touched $1
yeah.
off trading, and they have no fucking clue what they're talking about. It pisses me off.
That's one more thing you have to take into consideration, that those people that are actually giving you criticism on those live stream chats, none of those guys are profitable to begin with.
Oh,
They're
yeah.
probably worse than you, bro. Because
Yeah, they probably
what person is? I watch your live streams, but I'm not in there to hate on you because I'm trying to work on myself to trade. So those people are most likely they took a big loss or they just suck at trading, and they want to have some control in the markets so they can they go to a live stream and they're like, oh, you're doing this wrong when you're in the hot seat. If they were in the hot seat, they'd be fucked.
yeah,
100%.
bro. Listen, I can almost guarantee you that those guys, they'd never open up their own live stream.
Hell no.
Well, yeah. Anyways, let's get back. Let's
I got you guys.
all right.
Alright.
Yeah, go for it.
So whenever I open up the charts, I go on the hourly, and I'm like, okay, what did London do? What did Asia
No,
do?
start from the weekly. Start from the weekly.
Weekly. Okay. Looks like weekly. We retrace to this weekly imbalance here, and we're getting
There's like nothing on the weekly.
Yeah, we're getting
like, honestly.
like a push up to the upside, right? We're bullish. Drop it down to the daily. We have this bullish imbalance that we're in, and we're trading between two imbalances here. But I'm looking at here. We already swept out this daily level right here. We have an order block here also. So now I'm pretty bullish regardless. And we're also in this daily fair value gap here. So I'm overall bullish.
Okay,
Bullish.
fine. Look. Let's just keep things stupid simple. So your bias is what? You're looking
Bullish,
for higher
bullish.
prices, right?
Bullish.
All right.
Bullish.
Go to the next silver bullet,
Silver bullet.
and and then go on the M15 chart.
All right, bet. Silver bullet, so 10.
Right. So what do you see?
We kind of just
Okay.
we technically
You said-
consolidated here, but
It's clear that price is in a range bound environment, right?
right.
Now, to confirm a consolidation, right? It's just a trading range that's completely balanced. So all of the fair value gaps within that range, from the high to the low, everything is going to be filled in. But the more the accurate description of the consolidation that we're seeing right now is that a level of how the equilibrium is being worked multiple times. So if you were to draw out that entire consolidation from the wick high to the wick low. No. You draw your consolidation from the bodies only.
Bodies. Yeah, you're right.
Now extend that range all the way to the left. The left.
Left. All right.
Okay, now you have to do some sort of you see that low that's right at the bottom of your chart?
Right here.
No. That's at the bottom of your chart. It's on the left, yeah. Extend it to that low.
To this.
The bodies only.
Right here.
Okay, now just mark out the 50% with a
Blue
line. Okay, now just remove the fib. So you can see how price is constantly working that 50%, right? The
Right.
equilibrium. So
Correct.
now we're obviously under the assumption that you're going to be looking for longs during this day, right? So
Correct.
the only thing that can happen after price shows itself to be within a range bound environment or a consolidation, the only thing we can do from that point moving forward is to either show some sort of uh, expansion either towards the upside or towards the downside. But obviously, we're under the preconceived notion that you're looking for longs, right?
Right.
All right, so
Right.
just enter long at the open of
10
the silver
a.m.
bullet.
Yeah. Dude, I've been doing this a lot recently, like just like on my own, and
Okay,
dude, right here stops this
okay.
low.
Actually, the thing is,
Bro,
like,
what are you trying to teach him here? I'm low key. This is a 15-minute. This is like, in my opinion, you would sit and wait. Like, I mean, I don't know what you're trying to teach him with this right now, but
I'm trying to teach him
this is
profiling. 'Cause if he doesn't
okay.
understand profiling, he's not going to get anything else.
All right, but there's like literally nothing here.
Where?
Right here on the 15-minute, bro. This is the 15-minute, dude. There's actually nothing here.
Okay, fine, fair enough. Then we can wait for the sweep of either.
These lows.
Okay.
Right. You always need just liquidity is the most important shit. There's not even a fair value gap you can use in this, except for, I mean, it used
Yeah,
the 15-minute up there.
We've already established that there's not going to be any sort of fair value gap that we can use because it's in a consolidation. All of them are going to get filled in anyways. All right, so fine. Let's wait for the sweep of a sell side liquidity pool. Okay,
Yeah.
Cool.
now go down to the M1. All right, so you have a propulsion block pattern. So do you want to enter right now?
Like if I was looking at this, I'll be like, okay,
Okay, then place longs.
okay, that works too.
And you're gonna have to work with somewhat of a bigger stop loss because we're in a consolidation. So just target the highest high of that consolidation, the highest wick high. Higher? Yeah.
It should be this right here.
Yeah. So you have the equal highs right there as your drawn liquidity, right?
Right.
Okay. So now just let the trade play out. Yeah. So that's the trade right there.
If I'm being completely honest, I feel like I probably would have been like kind of sketched off this fair value. Yes, I am bullish, but I probably would have waited for this to get filled or to get ran through.
That's what I would have done. 100%.
Yeah, and then like I would have been in a major drawdown for sure. I would have entered here. My stops would have been at this low.
Yeah, but that's the issue right there. You don't understand profiling.
Like, what do you mean by profile? Like
Whenever you're in a consolidation, the highest probability trades are always going to be at the upper/lower 25%. So if you were to split that entire consolidation into quadrants,
I'm gonna draw
right?
real quick.
The upper and lower 25%, any sort of a rejection block or liquidity pool after that gets rated, that's pretty much going to be the framework that you're going to require prior to actually placing the trade. So obviously we took out. Can you go back to the M15?
Yeah.
That low right there that you had marked out, right? Obviously
None.
that low. Okay, looking at this in hindsight, that low would have been something that you would have used as framework prior to placing longs, right?
Right.
Okay, so once that low gets taken, you're gonna go down to the lower time frame and you're gonna look for the pattern that you're gonna actually place the trade off of. And
Okay.
that propulsion block right there, that would have been your entry. And look, on top of that, if you were to look at that entire consolidation, you marked out the equilibrium, right? So that's if you go through the 2019 commentaries, he refers to this as the level of mean reversion, meaning it's just the 50%. You never want to place your trades there. Okay. So as you can see, we would have placed longs. It went higher. It tested the 50%. You got somewhat of a retracement towards the downside. It came back to the entry. But then after that, you got the expansion towards the upside, and it took out the equal highs, which would have been your drawn liquidity. That's all there is to it.
Okay.
That did not sound simple.
Yeah, that sounded like a lot. Mean reversion. I've heard of it before, but yeah, I mean, this was
You just need one entry model. Like my entry model, I honestly, all of us need to wait for liquidity to be swept. But all I'm watching is for an inverted gap to be filled, and then like once it closes above it, I'm in. So it's not like you have to. That's also another thing. It's like I had the same issues. Just like I had so much knowledge with like just other like like volume imbalances, just a bunch of different PD arrays, and focusing on like
these aren't
one.
PD arrays. This is profiling. This is probably the most crucial thing.
Bro, but you use PD arrays in profiling, dude. He just marked an inverted fair value gap. That's PD array.
Hold up. I want to see if like another long, like I want to see if I would have missed this entry. I want to see if longs would have been good here.
You can have you can do profiling, but you still need an entry. Like I don't.
Yeah, usually I would like to entry above the fair value gap, but I do see why this propulsion block worked right here.
I'm not really grasping the point that you're trying to make.
What was that?
Nah, he's saying that you need PD arrays to profile, which is obvious. You only, realistically speaking, you only need 4 PD arrays to actually profile, and that's according to month 1 core content. So I don't understand the point that he's trying to make.
Bro, you said you literally just said 30 seconds ago you don't need PD arrays in profiling, and I said you do. And then you just went back and said you only need 4. So you do need PD arrays. You literally just said that a minute ago, bro.
Highly doubt that, but all right. But yeah, let's see you walk into the next trade.
All right, bet. Oh, we got a big news candle here. Shit. Okay.
Seems like it would get forward.
Weekly, still bullish. Daily, still bullish. But we are trading in this gap right here. 4 hour. Hold up.
I don't know.
We're tapping equilibrium of this range. Looking at the hourly here. This looks like your manipulation here towards the downside, and this is your reversal. New York reversal towards these highs. So I'm basically long bias, and what I'm going to do is draw my Fibonacci tool from here to here, the dealing range. I'm waiting for price to come down to this gap. So let's go ahead and play it out. And obviously, we don't get it, right? We don't get it. So now I'm going to drop down. This is your new dealing range here, but I need to see where we're coming out from. We're coming from this sweep of this high.
Go to the daily. Right, so we're inside of a rejection block right now, right?
Right.
All right, so actually, you know what? I'm not going to say anything.
Right, right. Rejection block. We have a rejection block here. Also, we have a rejection block here. And we're respecting.
I got a question.
What's up?
Is the rejection block just a 3 candle pattern?
It's just 2 candles. I draw with 2 candles. Like, right here, rejection block.
I don't really use all the ITT concepts like that.
So,
do you have the SMT layout on this?
Is it an indicator or something?
No. Oh, okay, never mind. I thought you had Nasdaq on the right side of your chart.
No, it's S&P.
And okay. Wait, that's the H1. Can you go down to the M5? Okay, so there's really no signatures for the SMT yet. So just
yeah, I'm gonna play it out here, but I'm still establishing longs. But
I don't know. We're at a daily rejection block, so there can be a market maker sell model right there.
Yeah, I'd say you missed the move.
Yeah, probably. That's what I'm saying. We already stepped at this. We stepped at this high. We're in rejection block. We're also in this daily, too. So,
all right, go down to the M5. Okay.
Yeah, probably just for me to for me to validate this sell, I probably would wait for like a 5-minute CI, a change in state or something to validate.
Yeah. Yeah, then wait for it and then enter. Okay. So that's the CSD right there.
We never close it below this candle, so I'm like,
Oh wait, that candle's still moving.
Yeah, the candle's still moving here. There we go.
Okay, just wait for it to close. Okay. Now you can, bro. I never entered there.
Yeah, I wouldn't enter here either. I'll probably be like this, and then try to sell above premium here.
Okay, so wait for the retracement if you get it.
Yeah. So as you can tell, we're this candle is very strong, right? We're very strong. We're running through all these imbalances. So now I'm like, okay,
What time is it?
it is
10:30?
10:36.
Give it like 14 minutes.
Yeah, for macro.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait for
Alright,
the
now
market
start,
structure shift as soon as.
Not yet.
Expect a turtle soup. Or just SMT.
Let's see. We do have SMT right here. So right here, I'll probably just wait. We're still in premium. There we go. I'm waiting.
Off that break. It's too late.
Alright, now just think of what you would do there.
I would probably
Like,
wait.
actually
I mean,
think-
we're still we're
Like
technically
actually
still in
like think
discount.
what you're gonna do there.
Okay, bro.
We're still in discount. I'm gonna wait.
There. I'll probably enter there. No, I wouldn't. I don't know.
I wouldn't enter here just yet. I wouldn't enter just yet.
Play shorts. Just play shorts with small risk and see how it works out.
All right. Where will my
'Cause we're
stop
going
be
into
though?
the right? We're not, actually no. Can you place it at that rejection block right there, right next to the intraday highs? Just
Right
go a
here?
bit higher. Yep, you're right there.
God.
And
This
then,
is a wide stop though.
That big.
It's a wide stop.
That big. God
target
damn.
the terminus of that market maker sell model. So all the way down there.
Yeah, the terminus.
Yeah, of the original consolidation.
What's up? Oh, I'm doing something right now. Give me 1 second. Yes, it's in the
I would
kitchen.
probably what would I genuinely actually do? I would probably wait for like candle closures and then
Oh,
pick my
it's on
stop
the
loss
table.
a little bit above that
Yeah, the
swing high
table,
that
huh?
it would probably make.
I would
Yeah,
genuinely
little brown
not
table.
enter this.
All right, my bad.
Measure the range you're in right there, like that new range that formed on the 1 minute.
Oh, the
This
range.
is
You would
too
want to
much.
be above.
Nah, it's too
Yeah,
much.
probably
It's too much. Just enter. Just enter.
All right, my bad.
Yeah, that's probably.
That's
That's probably
actually not
balanced.
bad. That's actually not bad. Valid. All right, now that was valid.
Okay.
Valid
I
trade.
probably would have partials at these lows or something.
Yeah.
Realistically.
Don't you use standard deviation?
What?
Yeah,
Standard
you don't
deviation
need to do it for that. That's a good win, bro.
Yeah.
It's way past your stop.
Oh, what the fuck? Why is it lagging?
Control your stop because price is displacing, and you should also always check with ES and SMT forms to actually like show your stop.
That's
Yeah, that's a good point. You can trail really nicely on like the 15-second with SMT.
yeah.
It's
I
so
can
nice.
never go on the 15-second on this.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
it won't let me. But yeah, like I said, I
FX doesn't have it.
like right here. We got the change of state of delivery here. I probably wouldn't have entered here, to be honest with you. I probably would have been like, this is the next technically dealing range.
From what
down.
I've seen from your video, you know what I think you would have done personally. I'm not saying you would because you're you, but like you would have been. Let's wait for more displacement. Let's wait for
Yeah,
more.
you would have.
Before
Yeah,
you
that
know it,
trade
your
would've
the whole move already happened.
Wait, what was that?
That trade would have probably left you.
You what?
I feel like
No,
I
he's
feel
saying
like
he's
you would've
saying
done
that
well.
that trade would have left you.
Roughed me? What does that mean?
Left you, meaning you wouldn't be able to get in. because
Oh!
you
I
committed
thought they
too
said
many
roughed
things.
me, and I was like, huh?
All right, let's go to the next day. But first, let's look at
That
the
wasn't
daily
bad at all.
closure.
That was actually pretty good.
Yeah, this
Very good.
Yeah, this was a good.
That was also
trade,
turtle
but-
soup. That was turtle soup.
Go and look at the daily closure for that day.
Daily closure. Let's go.
All right, so we traded away from that rejection block, right?
Right.
So, can you go to the weekly real quick?
The what?
Can you go to the weekly?
I got homework.
Okay.
God damn.
Okay, go to the daily again.
I got homework.
Okay, so we're trading off of
Finish
the order block right there, right?
I'm sorry. What? What was that?
We're trading off of the order block right there from the current day that we're at right now.
Right.
No. The premium.
Oh, the premium
premium
order block.
Okay. So actually, it's the one that's closest to the current day. But
Like,
all right, fine.
yeah, you're good.
So next day, is that the closure of the daily candle?
Yeah, that's what I say.
Give me.
Okay, so you see that fair value gap right there?
Just got inverted.
It just became the inversion gap.
Right, this one.
Yeah,
Yep.
that one. Yep.
Yeah, if that the candle closed, right?
Yeah, technically,
sure.
yeah.
I don't think it's gonna move.
Yeah.
Okay, so next day I'm also gonna be bearish. Target or my drawn liquidity is that sell side liquidity pool right there.
Yeah.
Not that. The one that's closest to the current
Yeah,
market price.
that one.
Yeah. Now go to the next day's silver bullet.
So
Okay.
just go straight to 10 a.m.
Okay.
Yeah, just go straight to 10 a.m. All right, so it's something similar. We have another market maker sell model.
Ain't that too fast? Or am I tripping? Because I feel like when I backtest, it's like super slow.
Oh no, I just changed it up here. There's buttons up here.
No, I know, but like you were going 10 minutes per like click.
Yeah, so I was trying to get to the 10 a.m. 10 a.m.
Well,
Yo, Q, I'm so
Or-
sorry. Can you go back to the daily and just mark out that one wick? I just want to see this for my own personal goat. It's
Right.
the one that one long ass wick. It's so hard to
This one right
go
here.
over to the left. Yep, yeah. Can you just mark that out like with a fib?
Oh, with the fib, 50% mark of the fib.
he probably wants
Yeah.
to see midpoint.
Yeah, that could be a good take profit area here too.
Yeah, just leave that.
Also, what else?
All right, what was this 6?
I mean, we're at the next silver bullet, right?
Yeah, 10 a.m.
Okay. So
It
I
looks
don't
like
know.
a market
Could just
maker buy
take-
model or start to form.
Yeah, that's a market maker sell model. But the thing is, like, I don't want to enter that now.
I know, but you could probably find this and see if it gives you one, and then try to buy it up during PM session.
All right, fair enough. Yeah, just let it play out. Just let a few candles play out.
Just everyone shut up. Just let him do it, and we'll talk about it after,
Yeah, okay, bet.
Okay, let the next candle play out.
brother.
This is the 5-minute, by the way.
Yeah, it's fine. Just let okay, let the next candle play out. Okay, place shorts right there.
Not bad.
Stop loss at the premium
Yeah.
high of that. No, the premium high of that fair value gap.
Right here, or this?
No, lower. The premium high of the fair value gap.
Yeah, right here. You're right.
No, that's not the premium high. It's right.
This
Oh, I
one.
drawn this thing. Go a bit higher, slightly a bit higher. Do you see that fair value gap that we're trading away from right now?
Yeah, this one right here.
Yeah, the fill.
I think he means
The fill.
0.5 above.
Oh.
The
He
fill.
means like see me up because fair value gap is like discount premium.
Wait, what
No,
are you
no.
talking about? What fill?
The fill of that fair value gap, the premium high.
Hold up, I got people here.
Just
Bro,
put it
I
over
don't
there.
even know
Yeah,
what you're
wait.
talking about.
12,000
Minnesota.
flat. 12,000, the big figure number.
I mean, I'm live.
Just
right?
leave your stop loss there.
Oh, no, you're good. All right, I'll put my stop loss here and just target this low. Or these lows. I'm
He
like
wants you to
lost,
put it
bro.
above.
I mean,
You
bro,
see
at
where
the
your stop loss
fill,
is at? Put it a little bit above.
you're just saying the premium of the last that 5-minute gap.
Premium of the 5-minute gap.
Yeah, I think that's what they're saying, bro. I don't know.
Yeah, market just pumped.
Oh, that's dumping. That's dumping hard as hell.
Yeah, that breaker would have given a nice entry. All right, fair enough. Loss.
Yeah, because if I'm being completely honest, I would have like waited here 50% mark. I would have looked for like a model here, and then
There's a model within that probably.
yeah, well, there's a model in here. I probably would have been like shorts up.
This is a
up in
shit
this order
price
block right
action.
here,
Look.
and I would have got stopped
Alright,
out here regardless. But
Yeah. We'll just count that as a loss. All right, fair enough. All right, let's go to the next day. Look at the daily candle closure for that particular trading day.
right, we swept
Look
out this
at that
already.
P&L.
Okay, so we swept out that low, right? So according to market profile from what you taught in month 1 in core content, you can see some sort of expansion after we take out an old high or an old low, right? Or it's going to consolidate. So based off of this alone, what do you think it's going to do?
We're gonna bounce because we're at this 50% mark here, and we're
Okay, fair enough. So okay. So with that alone, we just established the next day's bias. So we're going to be bullish, right?
right.
Okay, go to the next silver bullet session.
All right, right here.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. You do your thing.
Yeah. So right here, I've established my bias is bullish. We're respecting CE of this wick. We swapped out this generated sell side liquidity low here. I probably would have drew my fib here
It looks so
and
good.
waited for discount area of this range, and this low to get swept.
Okay. So
It's waiting.
wait, which low are you looking for?
This low.
That low. Okay, fair enough.
Also watch ES.
Oh yeah. Yeah. ES
Yeah.
is already,
Also look
already
out
took
for
that.
the SMT signatures.
yeah. ES already swept. ES swept out this low. We have SMT here. But at the same time, I still don't want to buy here because we're still in premium.
Okay, but
Hypothetically,
what about the equal highs right there?
These equal highs.
No, the
These.
equal highs right there. Yeah, so you can have that as a more subordinate drawn liquidity, and your TP can be past that, right?
Yeah,
Right.
but look at how shit the price action is.
That's very true. These look like they're gonna get swept though. Like
I highly doubt that.
So would you just place your longs here?
I mean,
there's no if
if you look at the inversion of fair value gap right there, I probably would have taken my entries right there, my entry right there. So yeah, see if it retests it.
But actually,
just let the next candle play out.
Okay. Retest it here.
Okay, so that would have been your entry right there. So just place longs, and
damn, I spoke too soon. That shit looks good.
Okay,
yes,
yeah.
This would have been my first partial here.
Yeah, your first partial right there, and you can have your final take profit as the intraday highs, which is right there. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So, yeah.
Pretty good.
Just pull the trigger. Yeah, stop loss hit.
Said I want to see these lows get swept here though, before even taking those highs. Yeah. See, like we took out these lows and then we pumped.
So where are you gonna place your entry right now?
Oh.
You know what you do exactly when that happens? You take a screenshot, journal it, and never do the same mistake again.
Yeah, exactly. I was like not confident in this trade. I was like, okay, I want to see these lows get swept, but you swept it out, and then I probably would have entered like this change in state right here, or this fair value gap right here.
Yeah, that is true. But usually when you do enter, or personally when you do enter off SMT, you should have your stop loss literally at the low of the SMT. But this is also perfect.
That would be the more conservative approach. Yeah, he's right.
It's just it was just been a terrible partial. So I was like,
And we could have waited for the retest again inside the fair value gap, the inversion one.
Right, we could have.
Yeah, but we didn't. But that's
yeah, we did it obviously.
We learned from it.
Yeah, but
I haven't even.
What time is it now?
I'm kind of like.
It's 11.
It's 11. Okay. So the AM session closes in literally what, like 45 minutes?
Yeah.
I still think we're gonna go for the intraday highs and
these highs
probably even higher. So yeah, and probably even past that. But I don't know. You can look for the entry.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Okay, so we just swept out these highs here. Yeah, we're just.
All right, so that's it for that day, right?
Yes. Yeah, we just consolidated here.
I mean, if you want to trade PM, you can, but I don't think you trade PM.
Yeah, because the daily objectives already been met.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. All right. Fair enough. Okay. Let's go to the next day. But first, look at the
candle closure.
That day's. Yeah.
Yeah, we respected it. Respected this.
Okay. So we got that daily old low.
Damn.
but we violated that breaker,
Oh.
so that gives me a reason to long or look for longs during the next day.
This breaker right here.
That's not a breaker. The one that's a bit
No.
lower.
Oh, this.
No, that's not a breaker. The one that's closest to current market price. Yeah, right there.
The down close candle. Yeah, that
Yeah.
one.
Yeah. I need
So
that.
that gives
Is
me.
that even a breaker if you didn't get close below it?
Really,
That's not one of. Yeah, that's not really a great breaker, but
yeah, I would have drew this as my
That's a
breaker, but
breaker.
I guess this is technically a breaker too.
what would you
that'd be
treat
more
as your breaker?
mid.
Wait, hold on.
Like breakers, like I just see it as like the lowest low or the highest high. So like this would have been my like if we were above here, this would have been my breaker here.
Bro, I
Mm,
think you should revisit
That
month
is no
4.
breaker.
yeah, no, that is not.
It's not a breaker.
That is not a breaker.
So it has
bro.
to.
All right, fine.
It
Fair
has
enough.
to. Fuck.
Next day we're looking for long, right?
That breaker right there to the left is good. That's a good example.
Like right here, this one.
No, all the way to the left. It's like the big white candles.
White.
A little
candle.
more to the left. Yeah, that it has to sweep the high it made, or if it's a bearish breaker, it has to sweep.
Yeah. So I kind of.
Or sorry, no, it has to sweep the low it made for the bullish breaker. So like it went below the candles it made for the breaker, so that makes it a breaker. But it usually has to happen like at a important level or right before it.
Okay. So I was technically right about this.
Skip to the next day's silver bullet. Skip it.
I bet. I am like I said. I established my long bias. Wait, send me up one too. It's gonna be my last one, by the way. All right. We're very bullish, as you can see. These highs look like they're gonna get swept. What would you do here?
Who, me?
Yeah, what would you do here?
Honestly, I don't know.
I just realized you're live.
Actually, you know what? Just fuck it. Just place longs at the open of the silver bullet.
That sounds about right. Yeah, and it stops at this. Like I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Me personally, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait.
But actually, you know what? Just place my position there.
All right, place your position here.
That's for me. Yeah, yeah.
What would your stops be?
Can you mark out the 930 low?
930 low. Oh,
where is it?
Right here.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Isn't the next candle over?
Yeah. Yeah. Fine. And close my position. Actually, you know what? Just close my position based off of time. So at 4 p.m., just close the trade.
I bet.
But first, just mark out 4 p.m. with a vertical line. It's 16 o'clock. That's the timing for 4
16
p.m.
o'clock. Oh, you want it at the end of the day?
Yeah. At the end of true day.
All right.
Yeah. So as soon as we reach that, okay. Yeah. Just now, just let it rip.
I've lost the second and enter. No, I'm joking. What is this based off?
Just
stop
time.
loss.
Yeah.
You know, he actually teaches that in Qualcomm.
Right here, I knew this was the drawn liquidity here, these highs, but I don't think I would have got an entry here. I probably would have had to switch my bias after that high was swept and then wait for a change of state of delivery, which we would have got right here. And then...
Wait, that alone would have caused you to switch your bias?
I mean, obviously, we have a higher time frame for value gap, or we have the
Check
support
for
above
SMT
here.
on the other pair.
Is that
Wait, let's see. I think we had SMT.
I feel like every time you backtest, you neglect SMTs.
Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, I need to start using SMTs more often. I do, but it's like I've been like kind of just like pushing it off to the side.
At first, when I started using it, they were so confusing. I was like, "What the hell?" There's like a million SMTs on my screen.
Yeah, no,
But I
this is the
realized
higher
that
time frame is the higher time for SMTs just work a lot
better
better.
put time frame SMTs over the little ones you see on the 1 minute.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Yeah, I feel like I would have done here.
You know, he actually gives a model at the end of the core content once in August. It's like one of the easiest models to use. Like that's one of the first models I used.
What was it? What?
It's the internal to external range liquidity runs, but he like I'll actually
It's so
screenshot it
good.
and send it
Our
It's
bet.
so good.
because it's from the PDF.
Um,
It's not from the actual videos.
is it where you align a higher time frame model? No, smaller time frame model to an external draw or not?
What was that?
Is it where you align a smaller time frame model to an external draw, like or
Do
No,
I
no,
do
no.
that?
So you follow the order flow on a particular time frame. Like let's say for like the M15, you follow the
Mhm.
order flow on the M15, whether that be bullish or bearish, and you line that up with your draw liquidity, right? And then you
Mhm.
wait for a retracement into a 1 hour PD array. So you're following the order flow on the M15, but you're waiting for a retracement into a 1 hour PD array.
Mhm.
And that's essentially what he says is a high probability setup for
Mm.
internal to external range liquidity runs. And
I
you
only
also do
watched.
that,
Uh-huh.
and he classifies that as the intraday scalps. That's what you use as framework for the intraday scalp setups. For day trades, it's a 1 hour retracement into a 4 hour PD array, right?
Mm.
And for short term setups or for the one shot one kill, it's a 4 hour retracement into a daily PD array, daily or weekly. And for swing
Okay.
trading, it's a daily retracement into a weekly PD array. So just look at the time frame that you're following and go one time frame higher. That's going to be the PD array that you're using as a framework prior to actually placing a trade.
All right. Let me see. But we should probably get back to Q.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna call it a day here, but because I got people over, and it's late. Obviously, it's fucking late. It's 10 o'clock over here, and the reason why I even streamed today was because I am not gonna be live tomorrow. I got shit to do. But yeah, Six. I appreciate you for being here. I appreciate everyone for being in here also. I'm going to go and call it a day here, but I will catch you guys all. What is it?
All
Friday.
right, bro. Good night.
I'll text you, Six. See ya. See you guys. All right, stream. We'll go ahead and call it a day here. I appreciate everyone for being in the stream. I appreciate everyone. That was not a That was not a Zoom. That was a Discord. But make sure you guys join the Discord. It's completely free. Yeah. Other than that, guys, I will catch you guys all tomorrow. Oh, my camera died. I didn't realize my camera died.